Good morning, Abha. Good morning, everybody. SGX indicates a slightly softish kind of start, and there is not much by way of news flow or any events to kind of influence the trends very much today. So possibly we might have a repeat of yesterday's trends, of lackluster trends, and intraday slight bit of volatility. So stock-specific game it should be for the day. Hence, we are looking at stocks that have shown some clear signals on the charts of some intention to trend. So I'm picking Jubilant Food as one of the buys for the day. Stock has been trading up well and maintaining itself at high levels, particularly post results. The stock has had a decent run, and as it continues to hover in the higher ends of its recent range, I think there should be continuation towards something like 1610. So this is a buy with about a 15 rupees stop loss for the day. The second stock is also something which has recently been in news, Bajaj Finance, where the latest QIP was lapped up, and that clearly shows the appetite for the stock from larger players even at these levels. So whatever you may want to quibble about its levels, its valuations, etc., the market seems to be more than happy to lap up whatever is on offer here, and stock has looked up post the QIP and finished well yesterday, should continue towards 4300 levels. So that's a buy with a 40-point stop loss.
All right, Bajaj Finance in the news today as well, as it has been on the back of that QIP. Kunal, what about you? What's on your list?
Good morning, Abha. I'll go with one buy and one sell. I think one of the stocks which I'm recommending as a sell is more of a continuation of what I gave yesterday. It's a sell on DLF. Now, I strongly believe that the stock on price front as well as on the indicator fronts have hit back to a very strong resistance point, which is at this 185 to 190 zone. And looking at the way the rally has shaped up and the sudden lack of momentum into the stock price, there could be a very strong chance you might see some sort of a pullback happening into the stock prices. So DLF is what I would recommend as a shorting candidate at current levels. Targets revised to 175, so more of a positional sell, and stop loss to be kept at 190. The second would be a buy on BEL. Now the stock was down, I think 5.5 or 6.5% yesterday post results, but when you look at the short-term chart patterns, 110 seems to be a very important pivot point for BEL. I think that should act as a strong support. So I think if the stock dips by another 1.5% in the first half, if it comes back to 110, initiate a fresh buy over there for a target of almost 116 plus, and stop loss to be kept at 107.
Okay, Abhijit, what about you? What can we keep an eye on in trade today?
Yeah, I feel Nifty might consolidate after a sharp rise. So even I have a one buy and one short. Short is Maruti near as much near 7500 as possible with a stop loss of 7580. It showed quite a big decline yesterday, and if from 7500 it can go down towards 7300 or 7250 if the stop loss of 7580 is not hit. And the other buy is Oil India Limited, which has given a steep rise in the last few weeks, and now it is consolidating. With a stop loss near 158, 160, it can be bought on any dip near 165, and I expect 185 or even higher in Oil India in the coming weeks.